To get a Binance Passkey, start by understanding what it is. Binance Passkey is a security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your Binance account. It is a physical or digital device that generates a unique code every few seconds, which you need to enter along with your password to log into your account. First, go to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have a Binance account, create one by following the registration process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page, where you will see your profile icon. In the Account Settings section, click on Security. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your security settings, including two-factor authentication, withdrawal passwords, and more. Look for the Binance Passkey option and click on it. You will be taken to a page that explains what Binance Passkey is and how it works. Read through this information carefully to understand the benefits and requirements of using a passkey. If you are ready to proceed, click on the Enable Passkey button. You will be asked to download and install the Binance Passkey app on your mobile device. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once the app is installed, open it and follow the in-app instructions to set up your passkey. During the setup process, you will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a secret key. This will link your passkey to your Binance account. Make sure you keep the secret key safe, as it can be used to reset your passkey if you lose it. Once your passkey is set up, you will need to enter the unique code generated by the passkey every time you log into your Binance account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for hackers to gain access. It is also important to note that you can use a physical passkey device instead of the mobile app. Binance supports a range of physical passkey devices, including those from popular manufacturers. If you prefer to use a physical device, you can purchase one from a reputable seller and follow the instructions to set it up. In conclusion, getting a Binance Passkey is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and using your passkey correctly, you can significantly improve the security of your Binance account and protect your assets from unauthorized access.